Hi, my dear friends. I hope you are doing well. Thank you for choosing our channel to learn Python. Today, we have a great topic. We are going to talk about dictionaries. A dictionary in Python is like a real life dictionary or a phone book. It helps you look up information quickly using unique keys. Key value pairs. A dictionary is made of pairs, a key and its corresponding value. What is the key? This is like a label or name you use to find something. The key must be unique, meaning no two keys can be the same. And the value, this is the information or data you want to store. It can be anything, a number, a string, a list, or even another dictionary. Let's check this code, how I can create and access a dictionary. My dict equals, I use curly braces, name Alice, age 25, and city New York. And when I run the code, I ask for name, print my dictionary name. The name is Alice, and you can see when I run it, Alice is show up. Dictionary methods. Dictionaries in Python have various built-in methods that allow you to manipulate and interact with key value pairs effectively. But how? I have a dictionary. My dictionary equals name Alice, age 25, and city New York. I want to have access to my labels or my values. Access a value by key with the method .get. I use get here to have access to value of age, and I run the code and I see the result is 25, as you can see here. Then I want to add or update a key value pair with method .update. I asked the Python to add something or update my dictionary to the new one. My dictionary.update age equals 26, so it should remove 25 and replace 26 and add a value, add a label country with value USA. And you can see here we have name Alice and age 26. After running the code, city New York and country USA. It changed the date of age and updated, and it add country, label country with USA value. And if I want to remove a key value, I can use the method pop. Age equals my dictionary.pop age. I ask Python to use the method pop to remove the label age. So I ask it to print age. The age was 26, and then I asked to actually print my dictionary. So I shouldn't see any age in my dictionary, and you can see here we have name, we have city, and we have country, and there is no sign of age here. Dictionary comprehensions. Dictionary comprehensions in Python are a quick and easy way to create dictionaries using a single line of code. Let's check it. Create a dictionary with numbers as keys and their squares as values. Squares equals, we have a dictionary, we have a key as a x here, x squares x for x in range 6. It means that you start from 0 to 5 and give me the squares of every single keys. Print squares. What is the result? Let's run it and see the result. X0 and the square is 0. x1 squares is 1, x2 squares is 4, and 3, 9, 4, 16, and 5, 25. And you can also add conditions to filter the items you want to include. You may, for example, want to filter some of the numbers. You may just need the odd one, the even one, so you can add a condition. Here, I want to add a condition, even scores, and I ask Python x equals 2 for x in range 10. It means start from 0 to 9, and if x modulus 2 equals 0, then print it. So we have 0, we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. We don't have 1, 3, 5, and 7, and even 9. You can see the result here. We have dictionary merging. Dictionary merging in Python is a way to combine two dictionaries into one. Combining dictionaries. You take two dictionaries and they create a new one that includes all the keys value pairs from both. So we have dictionary 1 including A and B, and dictionary 2 B and C. So I want to merge dictionary 2 into dictionary 1. So I say dictionary 1 dot update dictionary 2. It means combine dictionary 2 to dictionary 1. A is 1, B is 3, and C is 4. What happens to B as actually equals 2? When we update, if both dictionaries have the same key, the value from the second dictionary will override the value from the first one. And since here I add dictionary 2 to dictionary 1, the second one is override to the first one if they have the same key. So when you print it, you can have dictionary 1 here. Or you can use another way. In Python 3.9 and later, you can use the merge operator to create a new dictionary. I use the merge dictionary 1, merge dictionary 2, and you can see the result is the same as using update. If I change the order, for example, here I type dictionary 2 dot update. I use update dictionary 1, and then run the code. So here, since I'm adding 1 to 2, you can see B is 2, not 3, because the second dictionary overwrites the value from the first one. Okay, let's go for nested dictionaries. Nested dictionaries are dictionaries that contain other dictionaries as their values. We have a nested dictionary equals person 1 as a dictionary has name Alice and age 30, and dictionary 2 as a person 2 name Bob and age 25. Then how access the nested dictionary for person 1 and then the name key. I ask the Python to go to person 1 dictionary and gives me the name, and I run the code. The name in person 1 dictionary is Alice. And then I ask nested dictionary to go to person 2 and gives me the age. The age is 25. For example, you can ask it to print nested dictionary, for example, person 1 person 1, and for example I want to see the age for person 1, and I run the code. For person 1 is 30. Let's go for checking for keys. You can check if a key exists in a dictionary using in keyword. I have a dictionary named Alice and age 25. I want to check whether age is in my dictionary or not. If age in, I use in, my dictionary print key age exists. And if city not in my dictionary, check if city keys exist. Not in my dictionary, print city doesn't exist. And I run the code. For the first one, key age exists because we have age here. And for the second one, city doesn't exist. Because we don't have city here, we just have name and age. Okay, let's check looping through dictionaries. You can loop through a dictionary to access keys, values, or key value pairs. I have a dictionary contains name Alice, age 25, and city New York. I just want the key, so I ask for key in my dictionary, print key. I run the code, and what I see is the keys, name, age, and city. If I just want the value, for value in my dictionary that values, just print the value and it gives me the values. Alice 25 and New York. Alice 25 and New York. And if I want them in pairs, I ask for both. For key and value in my dictionary that items, print the key and the value. The key name Alice, age 25, and city New York. Let's check immutable keys. Dictionary keys must be immutable, meaning they cannot be changed. Okay, we have dictionary. It contains name, Alice, and number 1 to 3. And I can't change these values. Invalid key would raise an error. And my dictionary, for example, 1 to 3, list as key. List can't be dictionary keys. You can't give a dictionary a list. So bear in mind that dictionary keys must be immutable, and you can't have list as a dictionary keys. Let's go for handling missing keys. Accessing a missing key directly raises a key error. But what we can do? But using the get method avoids the error. My dictionary contains name Alice and age 25. Trying to access a key that doesn't exist without using the method get arise an error. So we have to use the method get. Print my dictionary that get city, and it check my dictionary. If the city is not in my dictionary, it is written unknown. You can see, since we don't have city in our dictionary, the result would be unknown, and we don't face any key error here. Let's go for performance consideration. Dictionary operations in Python are highly efficient. Why? Because they use a hash table to quickly find, add, or remove items. This efficiency is reflected in the O of 1 time complexity, whether you have 10 items or 100 or 10,000 items or million items. In the dictionary, the time remains about the same. You have dictionary name Alice and age 25. Lookup operation. Print my dictionary name. The name is Alice. Insert operation. My dictionary city equals New York. It add New York to my dictionary city, New York. You can see the result here in the second line. And delete operation. We are using del for deleting the key and the value. Del my dictionary age. It goes for age and delete it. So you can see the result. We just have name and city here, and it does all these operation or all these actions with the same time. We have default dictionary. Imagine you have a regular dictionary. When you have a regular dictionary, when you try to access a key that doesn't exist in a regular dictionary, Python raises a key error. But when you have a default dictionary, automatically the dictionary provides a default value for any key that doesn't exist, avoiding the error and making it easier to work with. We have a code here. We have a regular dictionary example, name Alice and age 25. And if I want to have access to any item that doesn't exist in my dictionary, I face the error. But when I use default dictionary, how I can use it, I need to import it from the collections. From collections, import default dictionary. Then I ask Python, create a default dictionary with int as the default factory. What happens here? My default dictionary equals default dictionary ints. So when I run the code, you can see here 0. Accessing a non-existent key returns the default value. I asked the Python to print my default dictionary count, and the things that is written is 0. And if I want to add something to that, I can use my default dictionary count plus equals 1. It means that my default dictionary equals my default dictionary counts plus 1. And I add 1 to my default dictionary. And so you can see the result is 1.